You do not try to understand. You do not try to understand pandemics, because first thing that you need to understand for yourself, you are not an epidemiologist or you are not a doctor, so there is nothing to understand. Most importantly, you need to understand the socio-economic, political and life's situations there. You have to understand life when handled carelessly or in the name of curiosity, when we try and experiment altering or meddling with life, the life itself takes a deadly form. And then what you do not show respect towards, that will try to scare you so that it gains respect. So fundamentally, what has happened, if you see, people try to meddle, create life forms, or people try to mutate, do alterations to the genes, and during the process somehow they came up with this new lifeless but life form called a virus, and that is now showing humanity how to respect life, how not to be careless about the very fundamental power called life. So when you know how to respect life, and when you know how to take good care of it, this is the time the world, for anything in the financial markets or in any social, political or any situations, you see, corrections are inevitable in life. Corrections are inevitable in life. We cannot have a continuous and a constant progressive path only. There is bound to be consolidation. What does life actually tries to teach us is, remember, while you climb steps, you'll find that every time you take a flight or you take a step, you need to consolidate your position on that step. You can't be slippery. Yes or no? So life sometimes tests us also on how exactly we are trying to consolidate our own position, because we take life very much for granted if everything is happening good. So fundamentally, how you consolidate your life, how you take care of your life, and how well you respect your life is very much important. So during this time, yes, the medical fraternity is doing what they are doing, and the political and other fraternity, they are doing what they are supposed to do. But as a human being, what is very important for you and how you should see this pandemics is how you respect your life, how you take care and protect yourself and protect the humanity at large, and how you consolidate your position. That all these sudden strikes of nature explain you how well you are prepared for your own life, how well prepared, consolidated and strong you are from within yourself. Now people say this pandemic has resulted in a lot of financial chaos and a lot of emotional, mental chaos, and all the business is down, every financial situation is very much upside down, stuff like that, and they keep telling you all that. But remember, when the whole world is going down, at that point in time, how much strong you stay from within, because people do not buy what you say. People do not buy, or people do not understand what you say outwardly. People understand only what you feel within. They get a sense of perception, they feel it. Am I clear with you? So this is an opportunity. Nature, we have to understand it this way so that we in our life grow and be happy in our life in a long term. We have to understand when the whole world is going down. At that point in time, those who stay strong within themselves and still beam that confidence, the exuberance of that confidence within them when it is perceived by others, then they emerge as a leader. So this is both a testing time financially, but this is also a testing time on your own self-belief, on your own self-conviction that you are born to succeed in your life. To check. Until otherwise, you have, that is what in relationship also we say, until otherwise we have some fight, we don't really understand how deeply we love each other. Yes or no? Until otherwise, some things, see, life is happening in various, they say various spheres of life. Life is a full circle. You will say there is a section A, B, C and D in your life. One circle can be divided into 4 quadrants, A, B, C and D and E. Okay. Now, one is finance, one is relationship, one is your career and all the other formats, and you see you can take these kind of formats. Now, until otherwise, every quadrant is growing in life. Until otherwise, you will have one serious problem in one quadrant, it will become very difficult for humanity to understand the kind of growth they are having in other quadrants. Only when you have serious problem at one situation, you will understand, wow, I had this kind of progress. I had the progress or have the progress, whatever it is. I had this, I have this, and this is good here, only here, now I need to fix. Then what happens? You realize the value of other quadrants. So, though it is an unfortunate event, it is a fortunate event in the disguise to emerge yourself as a perfect leader and know that in life there will be ups and downs. In your life there will be these kind of pandemics and that will create a lot of chaos. But at that point in time, instead of trying to judge and understand the outward chaos and trying to steer clear, be strong within yourself and evaluate within yourself on which areas you are good and on which areas you need to work in your life to consolidate your own life. And are you still, when the whole world is going down, are you still holding on to your post with your own conviction, with your own self-confidence that you are born to succeed because you are designed to succeed? If you have learned this, this is a great opportunity to learn this. And if you have learned this, there will be life normalcy again. There will be definitely, we will be able to fight it. We as a humanity will definitely be able to overcome this situation. And that point in time, those who have held on with a lot of self-confidence, with a lot of self-conviction, they are going to emerge as new leaders. So this is also an opportunity. So instead of trying to see how, the outward situation, this is a fantastic and a phenomenal time to look for the inward. Look at your own conviction. Look at your own confidence within yourself. Look at within yourself and try to derive the true strength deep within you. And when you try to derive that true strength from within you, you will see this, any difficulty, this pandemic-like situation, as an opportunity to emerge with much more brighter colors and a new possibility of life. So, believe in yourself when the world is going down. Do not panic with the people. Do not try to subscribe to what all others are doing. This is the time you take very good care of yourself, your family, and absolute good care of your own self-confidence. जय गुरुदत्त।